Hi, I'm Miss Shermaine Tan and I'm a lecturer at BA and this is Lecturers Ask Me Anything. So the first one, Joe, why are you so slay? Because you know it. What would you be doing if you weren't a lecturer? Very simple, I'll YOLO and travel the world. I was from a family business which does wholesale trade and logistics. What are my qualifications? I graduated with a degree in business and administration. The best part of teaching in BA is actually the students. Everyone's very hyper, everyone's always there, everyone's asking questions. Which is the hardest course in BA? There isn't really one. Because, so I'm going to just sell a bit of koyo here, okay? There's no more exams in BA anymore, so that's great. So what you gotta do is just projects, individual assignments, and maybe some common tests and quizzes, but no exams, so join us, okay? It does not. So O-level results only take into account when you join the various diplomas. So if it's like CBP or you have a specific diploma that you like, then that's the O-level ones. If not, then after CBP, what you do is we will grade you or based on your GPA. Yes, you can, okay? We only need you to pass your math and English to get into BA. So if you fail math and English, then okay lah. But if you pass, then yay! Welcome to BA! 7, 8 out of 10 students get into our local universities. Okay, so high chance, if you want to get a university, join BA. I'll answer this. What's so great about Common Business Program? Okay, because I'm teaching business program now. It's divided into 2 portions. First semester, we'll be doing like makings of a business, which is like playing a computer game, The other one is about entrepreneurship. So if you're thinking about starting your own business, you want some money to start that business, join us. Because if you get chosen top 5, you get funded by our sandbox people, so it's fantastic. Favorite work outfit? Pants, shirt, and blazer. And then after work, I just take out the blazer. Okay. Who's your most favorite student? I have no favorite, no favoritism, okay? Everyone I love very much, very dear to me. And then when you graduate, you'll come back and then we can have a party. Okay, who's my naughtiest student? Then you just ask me this question and you're my naughtiest student, okay? If you want to know anything more about BA, please join us at our open house from the 5th to the 7th of January in 2023 and we'll see you there!